yourself in a losing trade and wondered what now? Should I cut the losses or just hang on? It is a tough situation that every trader must have faced at least once while trading. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about how to adjust your losing trades to minimize your losses. By end of this video, you will get some key strategies not only to reduce the losses but also to protect your profit. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Imagine you are a trader. You have done all the homework. You have analyzed the charts, read the news, and you definitely think that the market will go up. Now you have placed a trade feeling confident about your analysis. But few hours later, the price of the market got reversed. This is where many traders get panicked. They either get out from the trade too early or just hold the positions thinking that the market could again reverse. But this can lead into bigger losses or unexpected stress. Before doing anything drastic, just take a moment to assess the trade. Ask yourself, why is the trade losing? Did you interrupt the market trend? Is there any unexpected market event that is affecting your trade? Is the loss whether it is in your risk tolerance? For example, let's say you are trading on a stock and the market took a sudden downtrend due to the market news. Instead of panicking, just pause and ask yourself, maybe it could be a temporary drop that the market could correct later. Step number 2. Cut your losses early with a stop loss. One of the most important tools that every trader should have is a stop loss order. It is a risk management tool that automatically closes your positions once the certain price level is reached. If your trade is going against you, it is better to cut your losses rather than letting them grow. This is where discipline comes to a picture. Let's say you have set your stop loss at 5% from the entry point. Once the 5% is achieved, then you will be getting automatically exited from the trade. By this way, it will help you to reduce us from the further losses. Step number 3. Scale down your position. Another approach is to scale down your position. Sometimes the market does bounce back. Rather than sticking to the full size of your trade, you can reduce your exposure. For example, if you are initially trading with 100 shares and the trade goes against you, you can reduce the shares to 50. This reduces the risk and adjust your strategies as per the market condition. Step number 4. Use hedging to minimize the losses. You have an idea that the market will eventually turn into your favor, but you don't want to risk too much, then you can hedge your positions. This means that you can open another trade that is going opposite direction to minimize your losses. Step number 5. Set realistic expectations. A huge mistake that many traders does is thinking that every trade will turn into a winning one. Some trades could end up even in losing one. This is a part of a game. Setting realistic expectation is crucial. Your goal should not avoid the losses entirely. Instead of focusing on that, just minimize your losses. Remember, your goal is to minimize the damage. Adjust your trades whenever it is necessary. Always stick to your risk management plan. Hope this video find useful for you. For more such videos and updates, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.
Trading and investing involve substantial risk and are not suitable for every investor.